AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is AMC Entertainment Holdings a buy? I'm about to be breaking this down in this very short and brief 1-minute video. Here is the thing. Here's the biggest thing ever. We consolidated quite a bit going in from Monday and the next upcoming week because we open up quite hard. And that's exactly what I wanted to see, but it kind of backfired because the range was way too big. So how are things looking like? Am I buying finally? Well, it depends. I'm still going to stick to my edge that I've refined over 45,000 videos, and the only thing that's going to matter to me is if I see a full candle close about $3.15. Now, guess what? If I don't see that, then I'm not going to buy. And I do not think it's getting any simpler than that. Like the same way I waited for a double break here, I'm waiting for it here, but it's a bit of a higher time frame, which is a bit of a scale. But because market is fractal, there is no freaking problem with that. Market is fractal, so whatever time frame you're looking at, you just need to wait a bit more if it's a bit of a higher time frame. That's about it, right? So that's how AMC is looking like for me. What happens if it doesn't give me the shift and it keeps going down? Well, that's why I will keep you updated. Therefore, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.